If you are a beginner drummer and you want to practice rudiments, then this video is for you. Hi, welcome everybody, my name is Rafael Silva and today I'm gonna teach you how to play the inverted paradiddle. For the first exercise, we're just going to practice it slowly on the snare, and we will progressively speed up. If you have troubles playing it fast, go back and practice it at a slower speed. And finally, continue to practice it until you are really comfortable. Now we know how to play the inverted paradiddle on your snare. For the next exercise, we are also going to use the thumbs. So we start by moving the right hand on the floor thumb, and after we move the left hand on the rack thumb with the remaining notes on the snare. If you decide to use the right cymbal and the hi-hat in your inverted paradiddle, you have to add the kick at the same time and it will sound like that. Congratulations, now you know how to play the inverted paradiddle and use it as a drum fill. Really important, don't forget to practice every day. If you struggle playing it full speed, it means you still have to practice some more. So go back and practice at a slower speed. That's it for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you want me to teach you more drum lessons, YouTube thinks that you need to watch this video. I'll see you there.